back to my channel. It's your girl Janelle, and I'm right back with another beautiful video tutorial for you guys. I'm just so excited about today's video because it's about this beautiful backdrop stand. I cannot believe I made that, guys. Oh my god. Okay, so before I go anywhere, if you're not subscribed to my family, if you're not subscribed to this channel, now, please don't do me like that, man. Join that family by clicking that big red subscribe button below this video and join the family. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, guys. And give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it. Share it with your friends, your family, your enemies, your brothers, in fact, everybody. Make it go viral, guys. You know, I've been organizing lots and lots of events like BRIELLE'S birthday parties and other parties like that. And you know, making these backdrop stands, making these backdrops have been very hectic. The last party I had, I was very busy in the kitchen or in the room, and some of my friends that came to help me actually used my hot gun to attach a backdrop, my backdrop on my curtains. And I was like, when I was taking it down, I was like, what? And I said, I must have a backdrop stand. And I went googling to check one out. And to my surprise, they are actually very, very pricey. And you guys know me, I'm always for affordable luxury. I don't get time to overspend money. So I'm always on the affordable lane. So I saw this, for example, look at this. The original price, 60-something thousand. The sales price, half of it, still very expensive. I decided to go to my favorite app, Pinterest, how to any DIY, you know, backdrop stand, and plenty ideas came up. And I said, Jay, the doer, you can do this. And yes, we got it, using nothing else than PVC pipes, guys. It's very, very easy to get here in Nigeria. Yes, that's what I used, PVC pipes. So if you want to see how I make this using PVC pipes, do stick around. Let's get to the video. So guys, the first thing you're going to do is take one of your 3-inch PVC pipe, take one of the T's and fix it in. And you have to make sure that you fix it in very, very well, because if it's not properly fixed, it's not going to stand. So, and you make sure that this other side of the T is facing inside. Anyway, if you're keeping it up, it's going to face up. Hope I fixed it well. Then you take one of the 4 inches, fix it in too. So you give it this long whatever. So you fix it in very, very well. Now this now man walk. You fix it in so well. And you keep it aside. And you take the second one with another T. Make sure that it's equally facing inside. Two long whatever facing the same way. Then to make the legs, take one of the 1 inch, take 1 T. Now, instead of making the T to face this way, you make it face up. And you fix it in. Facing up. Take another 1 inch. Flip it this way. Making it facing up like this. All you have to do right now is to take one of these long one, and then you put it in. It has to be facing inside. I think I need to adjust the camera, guys, so hold on. It's actually very, very long, guys. Take the leg that you have fixed, making sure that this tee is facing inside. So as you can see, this one is facing inside. This thing is not as easy as it looks, so now I'll work with this. And I'm going to take one of the elbows. Keep this aside. Now we have these two facing each other. Facing each other. Okay. So in order to make it lap, take one of your 6-inch we already have a mini stand. All is left is to use the last one. Let me kind of shift it back. Guys, when I say this is not an easy job, like this is like a man's job. So I made a mistake and got 4 elbows instead of 6 elbows. So you're gonna need 6 elbows for this. So I'm now going to take these 2 elbows and attach it on top. I'm going to get a chair because we're not tall. I'm just going to attach this on top. I don't know if you can see, guys. Take it again. Final 6 feet. And oh my God! Of this black spray paint to, paint it black, and oh my God, I was stunned. So I'm gonna go spray this black and then I'll show you the finished. And there you have it, guys. I went ahead and spray painted it black. And oh my God, I'm loving my backdrop. It's super duper beautiful. You can see how excited I am. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around. Don't forget to like this video, share with all your family and friends. See you in my next video. Bye.